found these train tracks. We're gonna see where they go. Tracks are a little overgrown, so I figure if I walk next to it on the road that's condemned, it's a little bit easier. Sonny's still sniffing it. He knows which way to go. $10. Sonny and I are going to be on Murder, She Wrote. Guarantee it. It's pretty sketchy over here. St. Diego State. Wow. See? Looks like it's a bunch of sand. Yeah, salt patches. Don't go down there, Sonny. That's salty. Sonny, check for trains first, bud. Never cross the bridge without train check. No, come on. Dude, he's a beast at this. Wait. Let's go. Good boy, bud. So anyways, like I was saying, I've been in California for 2 years, just 4 days shy of it. And I would consider this the forest. I need to go to the woods more. That one right there, Sonny? Okay. You ready, Sonny? Okay. Yo, so Sonny said it's time. So we're starting a Sunday secret spot, SonnyBoy San Diego. It's where we hide an envelope of $20 in a secret spot that Sonny picks out. First one to find it gets it. And this week's spot, yeah, up there. I'll tell you where the park is. There's only 7 trees. Good luck finding it. That one right here. Go on, baby. Come on. Up. Okay. Yeah.